Hello guys, now we'll start the new topic that is right to freedom of speech and expression. I am an intern at UB advocate and I am here to present the topic right to freedom of speech and expression with reasonable restrictions. So, right to freedom of speech and expression is available to all the citizens of India under Article 19(1)(a). But this right is not absolute. It is subjected to 8 reasonable restrictions under 19 clause 2 of Indian Constitution. Now, this freedom of speech is also entitled with various freedoms such as freedom of press that was held by the case of Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, then freedom of commercial speech, freedom right to broadcast, then right to information by the case of Union of India versus ADR, then right to criticize. We have right to expression beyond the national boundaries that was held by the case of Menka Gandhi versus Union of India, in which her passport was taken by the authorities and they had to give it back as it was under 19 clause 1A and also Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Now, right to speak, but also right to silence that was held under Bijoy Emmanuel versus State of Kerala. In this case, the student didn't sing the national anthem, but later he had the court had declared that there is a right to silence in Indian Constitution. That is under Article 19(1)(a). Now, reasonable restrictions that are imposed under 19 clause 2 of the Indian Constitution. The first is security of state by the case of PUCL versus Union of India. Then we had friendly relations with foreign state. Then we have public order that was installed in this article by first amendment of after the case of Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras. Then we have decency and morality that was held by the case of Ranjit D. Udeshi versus State of Maharashtra. Then we have contempt of court under section 2 of Contempt of Court Act. Then we have defamation, which is under section 499 of IPC. It is a crime. Then we have incitement to an offense that was also added by First Amendment Act. Then we have sovereignty and integrity of India that was held by 16th Amendment Act of 1963. Thank you so much, guys.